we cannot move off probably what's the biggest topic of the decade, if not the century, which is course AI. Tell us a little bit more detail, maybe without spilling the beans on anything strategic or secret, about what you're struggling with finding an answer to. Because from my point of view, and we see this a lot, and you're a portfolio company, people are spending an awful lot of money doing stuff that's already proven, or they're spending an awful lot of money duplicating stuff. So how do you cut through that, and what are you struggling with?
There's two sides of AI that we're looking at currently in software engineering. One side is the generative AI. So it's, tools that plug into our integrated development environments that can suggest, blocks of code, or maybe even a little bit more than that, where engineers can then review, correct, and deploy. We're looking at maybe, unit tests, things like that can be generated by AI. We just bought a plugin within our Jira system that can now use generative AI to create release notes. So we're looking to create efficiencies kind of maybe at the more micro level there. On the other side of the AI, I guess a trend is the agentic AI. And this is what the big players are building. The good news is for the smaller players, there are tools out there that are up and coming. So we're looking at very specific tools that within the custom IDE that they built, the integrated development environment, they've got these agentic AI tools, these bots that you can spin up, and they can actually create potentially entire applications. We're just in the discovery stage. What I would say about that is, I don't think the bots will replace the software engineers, but it'll just change the way the software engineers do their jobs.